You are in the heart of all Igbos. I'm telling all, I was a politician. I have resigned. I'm not in any political party. It doesn't pay anybody to continue criticizing for no just cause. When we praise Hope Uzodinma, we are mentioning specifically what he has done. I think APC, you are lucky to have him. Your campaign is easy. The most difficult thing is for campaign for a governor who has achieved nothing. Hope have achieved a lot. So it is easy for you to campaign for him. Please, finally, our Vice President, tell our brother, our son Buhari, that Ohaneze Ndigbo, the over 60 million Igbos request that he should release Nnamdi Kanu. He should release Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos are not seceding. I don't see why anybody should say Igbos are seceding. Igbos are everywhere. We have investments. Are we going to leave our investments? So please, I am passing this message to him because he is my president in Nigeria. But in the Ohaneze, he has been honored by us and he's a member. So he's my subject there. I am now telling him that Nnamdi Kanu should be released before he departs. We are going to be very grateful. Meanwhile, I want to thank all of you and I wish you all safe journey home. Thank you.